Alright guys, we are back and time to wrap things up on the melting pot here on Cup of Joe with a cocktail. So we went fancy curry. I started off with a curry lentil soup. And then Chef Jason Peru bubbled a curry cascadoo. My man Tyrone Benjamin is here and he is going to do a curry cocktail.
Yes, Joe. We introducing curry into this cocktail through our curry bitters that we did.
You do a curry bitters?
Yes. So it's more or less, I would say simple, but the process is you're taking curry leaves and you're taking barks, right? In this case, for you to get bitter, you gotta get something with a bitter note, right? So Morbi is bitter, right? Barbonde has a bitter note, right? So we take all these spices as well,
right,
and you put it in a high-proof rum, something like puncheon. We know puncheon, high-proof, right? And within say 2 weeks, or around 14 days, again bitters.
Curry bitters.
Curry bitters, yeah.
And you're going to use that in a cocktail.
And we're using that in a cocktail. This cocktail is essentially a simple cocktail.
Right.
Anybody could reciprocate it at home,
right?
Essentially, it will fall under the category of a mojito.
Nice.
We have some nice cherries here. We have some mint, some lemon, and fresh sugar. And we're using an amazing vodka this roast, right?
You using all them cherries?
You're marking my cherries, huh? Yeah, so we have one cherry less for the cocktails. That's all right. Yeah.
Them cherries you
get our cocktail.
I love those cherries.
Yeah, it's amazing. Right, so getting right into it, I'm gonna start with the cherries actually.
Right.
So I'm gonna take all the same seeds out of the cherries.
Woo.
Right?
Just use like one cherry for the cocktail.
Just one. All right. I'll use that for your cocktail. So we have all this nice juicy cherry, and I'm gonna use tongs, and I'm gonna put all this inside. So this is gonna go to the base of the cocktail. Guess all this. Nice. So we have that to the bottom there, and I'm gonna add some sugar over this, because the sugar is now gonna help it break up the cherries and extract some of that flavor. So go with like 3 spoons. This is like one of the original ways of making a mojito. All right. I'm not gonna add the mint as yet because I'm gonna do a good bit of modeling. If I add the mint now, it's gonna kind of over model and bruise it up, and then sometimes you can tend to add a little bitterness if you get too much of the stems of the mint into the cocktail. All right.
Curry and cherry flavors going together, yeah.
So what you're getting is a nice fruity note, and then curry itself, obviously you'll get a herbaceous kind of note, right? That's what gave me the idea to make it into a bitters, because bitters is made from a lot of herbs, a lot of spices, and some barks as well. So here now I'm gonna put in the mint leaves, and for this we could roughly use say 8 to 6 mint leaves, all right? Right, and here I'm gonna go back and model again. This time I'm just gonna lightly bruise the leaves. Sure, fine. Are we going up a little bit? Yeah?
Hey, we drinking it now.
Yeah, we're going up a little bit.
Show finish after this, you know?
Yeah.
Show finish after this. This curry cascadoo I eat today, you know?
That river lime thing?
That river lime thing.
That river lime
you understand
thing,
the kind of mood I am, huh? You understand the mood I am?
I love a cascadoo.
You know, I haven't eaten that in a while.
It's kind of scary if you don't know it.
It is
And
very
at first,
scary. That kind of, it is
right?
very scary.
I'm gonna add some ice to this now. And we must have ice on the lime. And I send somebody in charge of ice.
Somebody just a cooler full of ice alone.
Well, actually, more than one person does be in charge of ice, because ices go so fast, especially on a river lime. Top up with some soda. Here's where you're gonna get a nice blush look, you know, all the cherry and all the fruit and the mint, everything down to the bottom, and the soda come up, and we're gonna dash some of our curry bitters over this. Nice.
Curry bitters.
Smell it.
Curry bitters.
Joe, we pop in the cherry over it here. Nice sprig of mint. It's a little Shangri-La, you know.
Don't do that on mine, eh? Shangri-La, Shangri-La.
Now we blessing you too, Shangri-La, Shangri-La, you know? All right, brother.
The one and only Tyrone Benjamin. Hey,
Cheers.
This actually looks a gorgeous drink, though.
It's a nice drink.
This
It's
is
nice.
a gorgeous, gorgeous drink. Cheers. We celebrated the flavors of curry today on the show. I want to
Yes.
thank you for doing a curry-inspired cocktail. The melting pot on Cup of Joe continues. As I said, we are showcasing the flavors and the diverse culinary landscape here in Trinidad and Tobago as we celebrate our independence and our Republic Day over the next few weeks here in Trinidad and Tobago. Cheers, Tyrone.
Cheers.
Let me take a
Get the
sip.
aromatics of the over it. Unexpected, eh? Unexpected.
So good in our alignment.
Yeah,
you know,
I'm telling you. Refreshing.